it's me. I'm just calling to say how proud I am of you. I've watched you grow and evolve and become more yourself over the years, and it has been so beautiful to witness. You have this magic, this ability to create space and make people feel like they belong there, like they've always belonged. The choice to love is a choice to connect, to find ourselves in the other. You remind people that their joy matters, that showing up matters, that who you are exactly as you are matters. You remind us that taking care of each other is the whole point, that we are deeply interconnected and that your well-being is bound up in mine and yours. Especially now, you remind us that we are all we have, that we have the choice and the power to show up, to connect, to love out loud, to resist. We are more powerful together. Thank you for being here for us. Thank you for bringing so many incredible people together. Thank you for so many sweet memories. Thank you for all that you do. I'm so glad you exist. I'll see you out there.